Hello, hi, I'm Preetham, and let me show you how to organize an classic tournament on tournahub. Let me log in to my account. Uh, as I logged in, let me do on create new event. And for creating a battle royale match without placement point, you can select this format. This is pretty easy. Any name, just select time, and it is like simply select number of players and max squad allowed. That's it. uh, in this type of tournament, in rank list event, you won't able to create a point tables, but for this tournament battle royal no elimination match, you can see we can create a points table here. So let me do that. For example, let me select free fire. You can enter any name and you can also select any image you want, anything. Now I'm just writing this and create. Table. Select tournament date, let's say on 18 September, registration deadline 17. So next, and here you have to select number of matches you would be conducting in this point table. Let's say I am going to conduct 6 matches, and points per kill is, let's say, 1, and you can configure your points table here. Let me for simplicity, let me keep it simple, and from 6 to 25. So let's say this is point table for simplicity, and you can also select schedule and select any schedule. Let's say for sake of simplicity, I'm just going to conduct all my matches from 1 to 6, from, let's say, 18 on 8, 9, 2, 0, 2, 5. Let's say I want to conduct 19. Let's say I select next. This is unpaid. Let's say the number of players. I want to create this tournament using 4 players of squad, max 25 players. And if I say, let's say, create event, this event will be get created. If I want to check that event, let's go on types, no elimination match, go here, this free fire paid, and again I'll have to activate this tournament from mobile app. So just go on here. I'll just log in with my credits. I'll sign in. Once I sign in, go on tournaments, created tournament, and this is point tab. Here I'll go on settings, admins, just click on here once, accept this, and now this tournament would be active. You can check here active. Okay, let me, now here I'll, once tournament got active, then you can update point table, you can view point table from mobile, and you can view brackets. Brackets are not yet scheduled yet, so that's why you're seeing something like this empty. uh, you can edit point table, Can add some range. Let's say you do 10 and you want to update from range 11 got 0. You just save changes. Placement points are updated, you can see. And you would see in manage brackets, as our tournament is not yet live, you can see here tournament would be live on 18th September. So after it gets live, these brackets you would be able to update these brackets. But for now, let's say I'm updating this bracket, I'm choosing admin. As for this tournament, you can see we just have one admin, so I'll just have to assign this admin. Admin is assigned, and now I can only set this time after 19:09 to 25 because our tournament is scheduled on that date, right? On 18. So I can only update time after that 18. So and once you can also do instant scheduling of tournament once time is after 18:09 to 25. But for now, let's say I schedule this tournament. I have scheduled it this tournament. You can see the status have changed, and I can set room ID and password from here. For now, let's say I do down simplicity. I'm just gonna do test set. Yeah, this is all set, and this bracket would go live on this date, and every player would get notification. So let me show you already one tournament which I've already created for prior to this. I'll just show you that. Let me go back and see no elimination. And let me see this tournament that I have already created. Right, it was on 13 September. So let me view this tournament. So see, you can see this tournament is past tournament. You can see all the details. This was 4 matches per point table. You can see all the match statuses here. You can see your point table, what I had created previously. You can see this is how brackets looks. You have this final standing table. You can configure points table per match. You can see I had 2 squads participating here, so I can see this 2 same here, and this was past. Let me show you how do uh, I like evaluate these brackets and all. Let me show you once. I'll just copy this. Okay, now this is the same tournament which I had opened, and you can see for testing purposes I have changed this tournament to live for time being. If I refresh this once, you can see I have option to change point table when tournament is live, and you can see this match bracket is in created state. And let's say if I can just schedule, I can like make this bracket instant live, start live match. You can see everyone will get notification, something like this. See, and you can see the status have changed. It has gone to live, and also you can let me check here. Okay, so and you would be able to edit this point table once you end this live match. So this match is live. I can also do some room test. I can update this room ID and password. And also once the tournament is ended from your side, you can do end tournament here. Once you end your tournament, then you will see options something like this. You can edit your point table from here. You can change it. You can clear selection. You can do clear selection. You can select a squad. Placement points are fixed. You can change skill points. See, I'll just, for example, let me show you. If you have same total points, then a ranking will be decided based on kill points. So if I save, you can save. You would see something like this, and it would be reflected in your final standing. So this results are, you can then confirm this result from here. If you confirm your result, this bracket will be marked completed, and your final point table will be updated here. You can see the person who has like greater kill points would be up, and you can see the tournament is in evaluating state. That's because I kept this tournament a price tournament. So in my price distribution, I can see my price distribution, and if I say confirm price, oh, so this is how like you can see matches are selected. And if I go to my account Preetham org and I see on tournaments, just refresh once. This Free Fire paid no elimination. If I go here, can I can view all my result stats. Can see result from mobile itself. You can see, you can copy room ID password. You can see results, everything. So in this way, it would be easy for you to conduct tournaments on the app, as well as it would be easy for players to track all the results. Let me also show you uh, this from Preetham account. Okay, so let me just log out from here. If I go on tournaments, if I go on my past tournament, you can also see all this stuff from user or from player's perspective as well. You can see your points table, how points table are configured, and everything. So yeah, this is how you can create and manage tournaments. You can add prizes, you can view admins, you can see players who are participating here, and many more. So yep, this is how you can conduct your tournaments on app, as well as you can, as a player also, you can check this tournament status from website itself.